Graphic here. We're gonna be finding the welder. If we're lucky, we might find some feces or even his table. We could find him in the shop working on his many dirt bikes. He could be welding it, so we must be careful. Signing out, National Geographic. Dude, so we're gonna be finding the welder. We gotta be very, very quiet. He could be easily spooked by anything, and he could start welding. Today we're gonna be looking for evidence, and then there's gonna be a part 3 after this. All right, let's go. We spotted something over there. We gotta go get it really quick. All right, let's go. Oh, we're coming in on something. Tune in for next time, part 4 on the welder. All right, we spotted something. Let's go get it.
Now on hunting for the welder.
Right, we spotted something. Oh, this is some fresh stuff here. Oh, it's still wet. Oh, his feces. And then what he claims to be a good weld. Oh yes, this is very precious and fresh. Yes, this is a work of art. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good feces. This is good evidence. He's been here very recently. I'd say maybe a few hours ago. Tune in next time on part 5 where we'll find the welder. Sing the welder today. We got some good tracks here. See, there's some tire marks here and occasional footprints. I cannot find any currently. Oh yeah. Oh yes, we have found footprints. Let's follow these. Oh, these are. Oh here, wait. Oh no. Right. Let's keep going. Let's move in on here. Okay. Oh, we found his home. Oh, there's snowmobiles and this excavator thing, and his lawnmower. We're close. Oh, over here. Right. Here. He's been here recently. I know it. I just know it. Here. It's a sign. High voltage. Keep off. Can shock, burn, or cause death. Well, I guess I can't find anything here. Let's keep searching though. Let's keep going. Alright, so coming up on some. Oh, this is fresh. Going outward though. Here, wait. Let's keep going. Getting some serious. Here, wait. This is my. Here's my. Oh, this. Oh. Over here. Oh, he's here. Let's go. Come on. Here, wait. Let's check. Just getting some serious. That's here. All right. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yes, come on. All right. Kevin. All right. End it. Yes, dirt bikes. Oh, there's his family. Here, wait. All right. No. Yeah. All right. It's the welder! The welder! Sitting on his dirt bike! Surprised he's not welding, he's soldering. Alright, well we found the welder this time on National Geographic. Signing out.